What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the Rangers team random for group break 203. Sorry, free random, not team random. We're going to go live. We're live at 327. It's 327 here in Denver. We got all the teams with the names and then all the bonuses. Keith has 12 extra. Chuck has 6. Marty and Staz both have 3. We're going to go 3 times. Winner on top after 3. Good luck. 1, 2, and third and final time. 3. Keith with a bonus spot. Congrats, man. I will do a timestamp. He's in at 328 and 328 again, guys. 3 with Big Keith on top. Congrats, Keith.